Cotton. Helps your baby sleep safely and you sleep without worry. Unique Sleep Swaddler comfortably secures your baby on their back during sleep, which is recommended by the American Academy of Pediatrics. Reduces risk of rolling over, tummy sleeping and falling or climbing out of the crib. Easy to secure to your mattress and baby with Velcro. Ideal for babies with reflux when used in conjunction with a crib wedge. Fits all standard size crib mattresses, mini mattresses. Machine washable, 100% cotton. Recommended for babies 0 to 9 months, 7–25 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Must have for reflux babies. Our daughter has acid reflux badly. We were told by her pediatrician to elevate her crib mattress. I found that when I laid her in her crib, soon after she would have slid down or rolled over to the side. This terrified me to think of her sleeping through the night in her crib. I tried using towel rolls to prevent her from moving, but they didn't help. Then we found Reste. This is a must-have for reflux babies. She now sleeps peacefully on her back and I can sleep peacefully too knowing she isn't going to roll over. Love this product.